Alright, so at this house they had a lot of wood rot down along the bottom of the siding. We came in, took off the composite siding that they had, put on a hardy board siding, and also before we did that put on a 30-pound felt roofing paper. It's an underlayment just to keep the moisture out. So we put that all in, put on the hardy board, had to trim around the electric panel and the cable box. We did this side here and this side of the patio. We also did a little bit on the front porch, and the next phase will be finishing off the siding around the back patio.